Today I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi that keeps disconnecting on Windows 11 Knife. Your internet keeps dropping, randomly disconnecting, or reconnecting again and again. This guide will help you fix it. This is a very common problem, especially on laptops, but it can also happen on desktop computers. Sometimes it's a small issue. Sometimes it's a system setting, or even a driver problem. But the good news is, you can fix it step by step. Let's start with the most common cause, your internet connection before. Changing anything on your computer, make sure your Wi-Fi is actually stable. Try connecting another device like your phone to the same network. If the connection also drops there, then the problem is your router, not your computer. In that case, restart your router, turn it off, wait about 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This simple step fixes many connection issues. If your Wi-Fi works fine on other devices, then the problem is your computer. Now let's fix it. The first thing you should do is forget and reconnect. To your Wi-Fi network, go to Settings, then Network, and Internet. Then Wi-Fi, click Manage Known Networks, find your network, and click Forget. After that, connect again and enter your password. This refreshes the connection and can fix many issues. Next, restart your computer. It sounds simple, but it works. Restarting clears temporary system errors that can affect your connection. Now, let's check your network. Drivers are very important because they control how your Wi-Fi works. If your driver is outdated or corrupted, you may have connection problems. To fix this, right-click the Start button, open Device, Manager, find Network Adapters, and expand the list. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and click Update Driver. Choose Search automatically. Windows will look for the latest version and install it. If updating does not work, you can try reinstalling the driver. Right-click the adapter again and select Uninstall Device. Then restart your computer. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. Now let's check power settings. Sometimes Windows turns off your Wi-Fi to save battery, and this causes disconnections. To fix this, go back to Device Manager. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, select Properties. Go to the Power Management tab, uncheck. Allow the computer to turn off this device. To save power, click OK. This prevents Windows from disabling your Wi-Fi. Now let's adjust your network settings. Go to Settings, Network, and Internet, Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset. This will reset all network settings back to default. It can fix deeper issues. Keep in mind you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi after this. Another thing to check is your signal strength. If you are far from the router, your connection may drop. Try moving closer or removing obstacles like walls or furniture. You can also change your Wi-Fi band. Some networks use 2, 4 GHz, and others use 5 GHz. The 5 GHz band is faster but has shorter range. The 2.4 GHz band is slower but more stable. At long distance, switching between them can improve stability. Now let's talk about interference. Other devices like microwaves, Bluetooth devices, or nearby networks can interfere with Wi-Fi. Try changing your router channel if you have access, or move your router to a better location. Now check for Windows updates. Go to Settings, Windows, Update, install any available updates, fix bugs, improve system stability. Another useful step is disabling VPNs or proxy settings. If you are using a VPN, try turning it off. Sometimes VPNs cause unstable connections. Also check background apps. Some apps use a lot of bandwidth. This can make your connection unstable. Close unnecessary programs and test again. Now let's go over common mistakes: not updating drivers, ignoring system updates, staying too far from the router, or using unstable networks. These small issues cause most Wi-Fi problems. If you fix them, your connection will improve. So why does Wi-Fi keep disconnecting? On Windows 11, in most cases, it is caused by driver issues, power settings, or weak signal. The good news is that now you know how to fix all of them step by step. After following these solutions, your Wi-Fi should stay stable and stop disconnecting. And that's how you fix Wi-Fi disconnecting on Windows 11.